The Similoid is a hypothetical robot for thought experiments and benchmarking. It has everything humans have, and it can do everything humans can. It has an organic body, including a nervous system, a circulatory system, a hormone system, a brain that works similar to ours, and a life expectancy of about 75 years. It's produced with so much variation that no single copy is the same as another. There are differences in appearance, like skin color, length, thickness, and whatever else you can think of. Neurologically, there's also quite some variation. One functions better if there's clarity and predictability. Another needs much more stimulation. Some have a very rich imagination. Some are more extroverted, others more introverted, one develops a bit faster than the other, and so on. And of course, this means Similoids can form versatile teams. But it can also lead to copies that do not fit well in Similoid society. And if a somewhat unfortunate extremity or combination of traits occurs in a copy, it could require a lot of help and be less productive. But a positive side is that occasionally a single extreme case can turn out to be a genius who helps Similoid society to advance tremendously. In addition, there are male and female specimens, and they can breed in a joint effort. There is often a certain attraction, usually between two of different genders, but there is also quite a bit of variation on this. And, just like us, they want to survive and to feel good.